In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your Xbox controller won't connect to your Xbox or just won't turn on. So, the first thing you want to do is take off the back cover, and what I recommend you do is replace your batteries, even if you think they're full. Oftentimes, when your batteries are low, or if they're not put in the correct way with the positive side on the right side, and same thing with the negative, it can cause issues with your controller. So, go ahead and press and hold the X button on your controller to see if the light turns on, and if it does, go ahead and press and hold the sync button, and then press the sync button on the front of your console and try to connect your controller. Now, if your controller's still not turning on, the next thing I recommend you do is grab a USB C cable and go ahead and plug it into the top of your controller. Now, the thing is, when you use a USB C cable, you can actually take the batteries out of your controller and it should still work and turn on. And you'll also get a vibration when you first plug it in. So if your controller is still not turning on at this point, it could be a hardware issue. If you did manage to get it on, go ahead and go to devices and connections and controllers and headsets on your Xbox and make sure your Xbox wireless controller is up to date.